Hello all you cocktail connoisseurs. Today we're gonna whip up La CATRINA Negra, a signature cocktail from the Lost Explorer Mezcal. Alrighty, so with this cocktail, we whip everything up in our shaker. So first ingredient, we're gonna do 45 mils of our Espadín Mezcal. Awesome. Followed by a couple of blackberries. Just pop them straight in there. We're going to do 40 ml of lime juice. $25 ml of Chambord. You can also use berry liqueur, but we love the taste of Chambord around here. I'll put that in. It's got those beautiful dark purple colors to it. Epic. Really excited to try this one. And then we'll go a handful of ice, just straight into your shaker. Pop your cap on and give it a shake. Awesome. So we'll grab our little rocks glass here. Delicious. We're just going to pop in a little handful of ice into there. Maybe a little bit more. Grab your delicious concoction and your shaker and just give that one a pour. Look at those colors. And make sure you shake this one quite vigorously because we do want to break those blackberries up. Another little handful of ice on top, just to fill it up. A single, I'm gonna get the one from front with this one. This one was so beautiful. A single blackberry, I'm gonna pop that in there. And the reason the basil's sitting here is we're just gonna grab a basil frond, so the top of the basil. And we're just gonna pop that straight in there. Sit the little blackberry on it, you know, just so he's cradling it. And there we go. Look at that one, wow. La CATRINA Negra. Cheers to you, cheers to me, enjoy. Ooh, sour.